Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best revenue-based financing provider for Amazon. If you're an Amazon seller, you already know the biggest pain point is cash flow, especially when scaling inventory. I've been there, running out of stock right before a huge sales period because my cash was tied up waiting for Amazon's payout. That's why I went looking for revenue-based financing, or RBF, and it made a massive difference in my business. I looked at a few different providers, but my own experience led me to a few key takeaways. First, let's talk about the big names you see: Wayflyer, Clearco, and even options through Amazon Lending itself. Amazon Lending is the most straightforward because they already have your sales data. The application is fast, and the rates are often competitive. However, it's invite-only, and the repayment schedule is typically a fixed daily or monthly payment. For me, that lack of flexibility was a real problem. If sales dip after a holiday, that fixed payment can really hurt your cash flow. That's why I turned to a third-party RBF provider. And for my business, the best fit was one that offered flexible repayments tied directly to my sales. In my experience, companies like Wayflyer or Clearco, or others focused solely on e-commerce, were far superior to a traditional bank or a fixed payment loan. The beauty of true revenue-based financing is that your payment is a set percentage of your daily or weekly sales. When I had a huge Prime Day sale, I paid a large amount, and when things slowed down in January, my payment automatically dropped. That cash flow alignment is what allowed me to buy inventory when I needed it without the constant stress of a fixed deadline looming. When you're choosing, you have to look past the advertised flat fee and consider the effective cost of capital and the flexibility. I prioritized a provider that didn't require a personal guarantee and let me use the capital for anything: inventory, ads, hiring. Some of the best rated ones, based on my research and others I've talked to, offer this kind of flexibility, speed, and sales-aligned repayment. So, while I can't name a single best for everyone, because your specific sales volume and time in business matter, I can tell you that the best provider for Amazon is the one that offers the most flexible repayment tied to your sales revenue. Look for providers with transparent flat fees, no personal guarantees, and a track record of funding hundreds of Amazon sellers. This approach moves away from the stress of fixed debt and creates a true partnership in scaling your business. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.